This is Jamaica. This is our culture.
How will the blood clot is?
This is Na Cook Sunday.
It's a jerk pork pot.
Yeah.
So healthy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Am I boil on?
Yes. Cook down, we are going to throw it and use back them pot there again.
Again?
So, and a normal thing, brother. It's crazy.
This is Na Cook Sunday. Happens every year. It's going on for over 20 years now. Or I should say 20 years under that. As you can see, a pair of horses behind me. I'm here in Portmore at Ham Stables. It's my first time here, but hold on, let me get this out of the way first. This is an annual event. This happens I think every last Sunday in January. However, this year in 2025 it put off to a little later date in February, but it's on a Sunday, Na Cook Sunday. But tons and tons of food I got there. Crazy place. As I said, Ham Stables is my first time here at Ham Stables in Portmore, and yo, let me tell you, the land here is huge. Tons of this is my space. This is my kind of spot. Tons of trees, tons of land, tons of animal, a lot of horses here, as I can see behind me. Where I go? A lot of peacocks. It's been a while since I saw peacocks. We see peacocks. We see whole heap of ducks, chickens. Yo, it's a crazy place. And the event, I think this event usually keeps at in Bagwalk. I'm not sure, but they move it here to Ham Stable, and it's still going strong. Na Cook Sunday, but tons of food I got there here. And big up to Sheldon. Sheldon been linked me and say, yo, Mick, you have to forward. He's the one in the kitchen, running off the kitchen, so heading around there soon. But you know, we'd have to go now and run down. It's a crazy spot. Tons and tons of pot in the kitchen right now. I go and blaze up. So we are going around there soon. We are going around there right now. But, whoa, look upon him answer. Oh yeah, my kind of spots. My kind of space. The land space is huge, and may I tell you, we are going to head inside right now and so we're going into the kitchen. Sheldon and them already there around there. Blaze up. Yes man, so we are going around there right now. Na Cook Sunday. But a whole heap of food. Tons of food. Yeah man, ton loads. Yeah man. Boy, the amount of pot. Yeah man, we are going to go down in that pot man, but just look on the amount of pots line up on the side. Pots line up over there. So. Oh God. Jeez and peas. And the amount of wood were there. Pure wood. This a crazy event, I tell you. Them are cook pan. We are going down in the pot them right now.
It's a jerk. Every time you come up on me, you know. It's a jerk pork. It's a jerk pork pot.
Yeah.
So healthy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Am I boil long?
Yes.
Well
yes.
seasoned long.
Well seasoned.
Cheese and peas.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes. It's a red peas.
Peas
Cooked rice.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yes. Got a dry gungo.
Oh,
Another
more rice
and
again.
peas pot.
Oh.
Show you
Oh,
whole settings,
God.
Mama G. Yeah. This a fish tea.
Oh, fish
Soup,
tea.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah, it's only right we call it fish tea. I know soup and say though.
Whoa. Nothing in it, no be general.
Yeah.
Well, this a chicken foot. This a soup.
Yes. Real deal.
This a real soup.
Soup.
Alright.
Yes,
Go on, say
man.
now.
Oh, what go on in the
Yeah,
pocket?
man. See that have some stew chicken
Stew
for
chicken.
breakfast.
Oh, breakfast settings, yes.
Yeah. That are some
Wild
dumpling
food.
and
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
Oh, yes.
This are
Tons of
some
pot.
this
Tons
are
of
some
pot.
saltfish and baked bean.
Oh, yes. All of them are breakfast
Yeah,
session.
them
More
are
dumpling.
breakfast settings.
More dumpling. Aye.
Callaloo.
Ooh.
Right.
Oh, that smells good. That smells good, boys.
Yes. Jerk pan them have for later.
Jerk one for look more.
Yeah.
Crazy, crazy vibe, so.
Crazy thing, man.
Ton loads of potters on the see right there. We have breakfast settings and even lunch settings coming up. Jerk chicken, jerk
And
pork,
yeah,
whole heap
all
of
of them
stuff
pot
out there.
them cook done, we are going to throw it and use back them pot there again.
Again.
So, I know normal thing,
Yeah.
brother, it's crazy.
Food I go pan warm, make food I go place pan warm.
Whoa.
The food court there.
Wow.
Food I go there so and warm and serve
Real,
for the
man.
food court.
Crazy,
And
crazy
good
vibes, man.
attention too, and I go beat out the place later.
Beat out the place come more. Yes, man. Good food and good music.
So beautiful
You go right through, you know, flim up everything around
Right,
there.
we
Yeah,
have
man.
two gorgeous looking female at the kitchen. Turn the face.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, hide your face with your hand, man. Camera, man. Look up in that camera, girl. Yeah?
Yeah. You my eye put up, you know. Yeah, man. Big up, man. Big up, man. Yeah, man. A real top, man. A real top, man. Ah, the only two female.
Only two female, brother.
Yeah, man.
The female, no, brother.
Yeah, every duty.
Champion.
Yes. Yes, man.
But you can't
High
put
vibes,
up on
man.
the brown when you're too tough, you know.
Yeah. No, you can't look on that one or two tough.
No.
How
Alright.
why?
Whoa.
Don't mark me out already.
Yeah.
You find your husband now, man.
Oh, come up in the truck and go boss me.
Yes, sir. I go up in the truck.
Yeah, man, come up in the truck, man.
Up in the truck. Yeah, man. Right up in the truck with this. So the truck cannot move from your
No.
today. Because a lot of stuff
Me
inside
can't
here
do
where I
that
go.
truck. It's stuck and I move till everything done, man. Yeah, brother?
Whoa.
Yes. Well, all right.
Alright, you see what I want inside the truck
Then you
itself.
go. All them have a stuff to use.
Whoa.
Them have meat.
Oh,
Meat in a go.
jeez, peace.
Right.
What?
Well, me have to cover them.
Yeah,
food
yes,
right
yes,
in, you
yes,
see me?
yes.
Right.
What that truck here just pure goodness in it.
Yes, it's
More
a
meat
meat
again.
again. Go on this, go on this again. A beer
Pure
meat
meat.
in there, yeah. A jerk
One truck full of meat.
You see me? So that's how things set, brother.
Real
A
man.
year's height.
Respect man.
Over 20 years, I got 30
Oh
years.
God man. Nah
Just
cook.
Nah cook. We
Nah.
just do it a bag walk.
Yes.
Then we do boat ride.
Yes.
Then we end up a farm.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Real.
From the every 26th of January.
Mm-hmm. That are the last Sunday.
Yeah, but through the killing.
Yes.
we
Them
have-
have a
we have
yeah.
postponed it
Yes.
today. Yes.
Yes
so.
man. So what they are
We
still?
there that. We
Yes.
there that. And your thing not done it because a whole day.
Whole
thing.
day thing.
You say when later.
A lot
You
of
see
food.
it, You see it.
Yes man.
Yeah, man.
Real
So,
man.
We
Respect.
just a kick off the
Yeah.
banner rolling.
Yes man. Respect man.
True.
So as you see just now, as you see what I want just now, it's a crazy settings. That truck is a truck load of pure goodness, pure meat, pure seasoning, pure equipments, pure stuff just for the kitchen. So this truck right here, that now move and a lot of stuff going on around inside the venue. Big sauna setup and thing. We here early because they know we're there for the cooking and the food. But more importantly, it's just the whole authentic vibes, the Jamaican vibes. And once you see good sauna setup, big sauna setup, I don't remember the name of the song, but I'm gonna make you know still big sauna setup and good food there. You know, say I just strict Jamaican authentic vibes, and we're here for that. That's the vibe, that's the culture, and we're there for that. But the venue is set up right now. A lot of people here, a lot of important people here are going do what they have to do, and also on the ground and also in the kitchen. So crazy vibes. I head back in the kitchen. See that I chuck this, chuck and I move. I go back in the kitchen. Crazy vibes. Yes man. This is a crazy event. I must say your respect to Sheldon, say to the boss over there. Say. Sheldon himself run off a restaurant at Culinary that put that restaurant at the police station. You have to check it out. And Sheldon, I went there and Sheldon said, you have to forward and now Sunday. And here I am. So big up to Sheldon again every time. Pure pot. Pan pot man. Pure pot lineup. This is a crazy event. And the name, nah cook, but tons of food. Yeah man.
Yeah, man, that's a soup pot, you know?
Yes sir. Pure goodies for soup pot.
Yeah, yam, cocoa.
Oh God. Pure blessing this in man.
Yeah, man.
Yes man.
Nice soup, you know, chicken foot and fish soup.
How can I have this? I rent this?
Yeah.
Oh, rent that. Oh, rent man. Yes man. Boy, it's just a joy being here, you know, amongst these people, pure elders. Most of them are elders to what that says. It's just a joy being around them because you know say good food they eat once they're around them type of people here. Crazy. And the amount of pot they here behind me. You know, see the amount of pots and them they are going to come off and more stuff are going to load up again in them are going to use back pots again. So it's just a going cooking vibe. Here is smoke the normal and pots the over there set up for breakfast settings. The grill is right there, big old grill, pork, chicken. Oh God man, crazy vibes. Hope you enjoy this video. Just go on, watch and full enjoy the whole Jamaican authentic vibes and do subscribe. If you don't know subscribe it, click the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up man. It helps you out, it helps me out a lot. Crazy cooking and Jamaican vibes here. Yeah man, this is our culture. So for all of the people around the world, here in Jamaica, even here in Jamaica, oh God man, just full enjoy the video. Crazy vibes, yard life way, yes man.
Yeah man. Chicken soup.
Yes man.
So you are long spoon?
Long spoon.
Ooh, look how much things are going on in the pot, man. Yes man. Man, sure things are going on in the pot them. Pot them line up on the room. Boy, chef, the pot look good.
What do you mean, Mitch?
Yes, man, look good, man. Jeez.
Great chicken foot.
Oh, yes, man. Can't go wrong with some chicken foot soup. Crazy vibes, look, man. Woo. Yes, man, that's the vibe here in the kitchen. Have some saltfish up and boil up yourself. Look like Ackee and saltfish or something with saltfish. Look on this. More food for more pot.
It's a fish soup.
Oh, fish tea this. Right in there. Woo. Oh yes. See them type of cooking here now. Oh, I hear them off of your skin. Burn off if you can't manage to eat. This is the vibe. Them vibe I'm like. Yes man. Yes man. That's the fish tea over there. So. Oh yeah, that's the biggest pot of fish tea I ever see. Ever. Normally people looking about fish tea, you know, it's just a small pot. That one is huge and that is one of my favorite things for drink too. Fish tea. Yeah man. Not fish soup, fish tea.
And I told them. Cap. You want to look more?
No, we'll put the red piece in that, man. Don't put them on that here. Put the red piece.
Come here, Pastor Shane. You cook, do. Man, some more water.
Gungo and red peas mix.
Show look more, man.
You have to go it one time.
Alright. Yeah, we now go throw more in there again. You throw more in there again?
No, so me thinking that I just take out.
Oh no man, alright, that's after that.
Alright,
Come.
take out here that part.
Gungo now.
Gungo now. Boy, the vibes here in the kitchen is amazing. You know, should have there. You should have there, but we're there for sure no what go on. It's amazing. I tell you, the feeling, it just can't explain over camera, but it's just an amazing feeling just being around your own set of people, them Jamaicans. Okay. Pure cooking, pure vibes. Yeah man.
Ma come with the water.
You know what, then get back off.
Did you put jerk seasoning on something nice?
So this right here is just a pot full of pure red
No
peas.
salt and nothing in them.
Yeah,
You
man.
put salt like that.
You the right so. Soon boil up, see that. Wait time there.
Thyme and pepper, you know.
Yes,
For your
man.
soup pot.
Yes, man.
I blame him up and sweeten him up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And soup pot, you know.
Yeah, man.
And green pepper. We have put nine. Yeah. Yeah, man. Fish, soup pot, chicken.
Yeah, man.
Great, yeah.
Sweet and sour sauce and barbecue sauce.
Boy, them bucket that smell good.
Said near kill Martha yesterday when me a cook, when me a boil it.
Boy, them two bucket, they're just two big bucket of sauce. What kind of sauce am I again, Sheldon?
Sweet and sour sauce, barbecue sauce.
Whoa, yo, the bucket them as the bucket them fly, the scent will come out. Jeez, please. You just imagine how the meat I got taste.
Very pretty man.
Oh, cook your whole season on.
Watch it, watch it.
Stew pork that gone on the fire now, and we see that jerk pork right there, bubble on. You right there, so? Jerk pork, whole season of bubble on in a pure season, and that I go up and grill. Stew pork over there, so whole season gone on the fire right now. Oh yes, and the music starts sounding now, so we have to keep it short because we don't want to get we don't want to get copyright. Crazy vibes, yes man. Yeah man. Respect.
Wild time, man. Wild time, bro.
All of them would there. All
Yeah,
of
man,
them
all
are
them
mixed.
fire stick that wild time, man.
Oh, white tamarind?
Yeah, man.
Oh, bonfire good.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yes, man. Wild tamarind. All of them, yeah. Them say a pure wild tamarind. Crazy vibes for the fire. Yeah, man.
Everything else. Yeah, man.
Are you going on for it?
What? I'm not going for it, man. Still there yet, man. Not gone yet, man. Still there, man. Look over here. Look over here to the left, man. That on a blood clot. That on a tongue, bro. Yeah, man, man, him not gonna work.
You say and chum not work?
No,
No.
man, not gonna work. Yeah, see, yeah, fish head soup. you
Yeah,
see?
man.
Fish dishes.
Yes, man.
Nick,
Yeah?
fish head here, may I show you fish head?
Oh! Blow out!
Madness.
Blow out!
Madness.
What kind of fish is Sheldon?
They slice fish them head man, jackfish or what kind of fish? I
What
heavy
I mean,
use
man?
chout.
Oh, I tried.
Yeah, where them make slice fish.
For real, for real.
Chicken foot, you know,
Oh, yes,
kick
man.
up.
You go on, man.
Chicken foot a kick up
Yes, man.
every time.
Alright.
So every team now me have to touch up back and have spice up.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on back.
Great all line now.
Oh, good, man. Why, Trenton, I see that, man.
Oh, you mean,
Oh,
man?
good, man.
Watch man, I have watch ya.
Yes, man, you old Trenton, man, Arnold, man.
You know?
Only for capsule fish.
Fish,
Fish
fish.
tea. Oh, that I fish on? Yeah. Okay.
No. You have to stay away. Not like that.
Give me a little more.
Alright, I get some.
Great straw pork.
Yeah, man.
Soup. Alright. Yeah. Take off the pan.
Like sugar. Lord, whoa. Yeah, man, them sweet till them crack short. And look how them tiny. Why them sweet like sugar? Sweet like a syrup to roast it. Boy, I second one this. Two of them small and a pack of punch. This is one thing I early morning, yeah, man. And good food I cook around there. Yes, man.
Coconut oil going on in the oat, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Ella know the thing, these are salvage. Can't go wrong. Please, more. Respect, man. Can't go wrong. Well, boil off. Barely tasting the salt. This is the vibe here in the kitchen. Fully authentic. Strictly authentic. This is the vibe. Yeah, man. Respect.
Give me that pan.
Run one more. Sheldon.
Huh?
One more.
Yeah, come.
You want one more?
You want another pan? You know, simple thing, man. Sit pan there. Just take up a pan. Come, hold it.
I want solar police.
You are Japan now? Alright, take up your grill then. Come on, cover this in here. You hear me now? Mind there's something Japan, you hear me? See, I'm gonna put the oil for the oil of a spill. Drop it.
Oh, makes sense.
Yes, throw the oil up. Burn it up.
Yeah, man. Fire blaze.
Alright. Take time to it. Let's start over them. You want black cake, man? Yeah, use it. Hold on there, this one move one for us. Go help me. And pepper. Can about 4 pepper. Yeah? Yeah. 3 pepper. I want 2 pork, may I say. Wash out this to me. And the pepper. Like a big pickle. Get some more onion.
Fritters.
Saltfish fritters.
Yeah.
Holy heap of pepper, holy heap of scallion.
Yeah. Onion.
Yeah, man.
And sweet pepper.
And sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The fritters are nice.
Yeah. That means that you can't leave it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, go and go. Potato them. Yo, bumpy car about 7 pounds.
Well loaded up.
Well loaded up.
Man, I go at this. Come right here. Alright, let's go over this. Over here. Throw out everything, man.
I'm going to know it go. Yeah, the food man. Test it, I'm going to know it go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
This is before it go on the grill.
Yeah.
Straight from out of the pot.
No one has stew one. No one has stew one.
Oh, let's do this.
Yeah, the
I think got the jerk.
You're not ready for the jerk.
Ready to be jerk. The bunks piece of the stew pork. Yeah, man. This is not done at night. The beans just gone in night. Right here. And this the bean just gone in now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Vibes. And we are testing it out now.
Yeah, beast now, man. Yeah, beast now.
Man, respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Man. Boy, and this not done it. This not done it. And the vibes here, man. Real Jamaican vibe. Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Why Sheldon easy na Sheldon say bungs pork. And the pork not done it, we just see some butter bean gone in the pot right now. See some right here? Just gone in the pot. Yeah, man. And Sheldon say bungs pork. Wow, amazing. The money at the general. Yeah, what? Oh, look on this. Oh, we get piece of the skin. Straight from out of the pot still up on fire right now. Oh. Oh God. Yo, I'm Mr. Sheldon at the pork boss. I don't know and a joke thing. Some of the nicest pork I ever eat. Some of the nicest jerk pork I ever eat. It's right here. Some of the nicest jerk pork I ever eat. Sheldon. And so the stew pork, yeah. Just the same. Oh, jiggly, bungsy. What a bite gone in that. You're actually getting chews out of it. That gummy chewing. Wow. You're actually getting chews out of this gummy and bouncy. Father Sheldon, respect, man.
Yeah, man.
No one right.
Oh, God, man. What, the one before right and the one now right.
Yeah, man. Flavor.
Flavor, man. Oh,
Flavor.
God, man.
I just
Amazing.
reach it now.
Amazing, man. Respect. Yo, we see this going on the fire.
Get some water for me. And throw up on a
We
curry
see this
good.
go on the fire
Yeah, you
and
that. Throw
look
the
on
water
this
there.
right now. Before it even come out of the pot. Oh. Vibrant color, the gravy, everything just perfect about this pork right now.
How are the blood clot this? Oh. Alright, sir. Yeah. So look more juice for him, make him them drain them up. See, Virginia, which one I soup you want? He must share.
I don't want a fish tea. No, I don't want.
Dig up now for French fry.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You good though?
Yes, I.
You eat?
Give
I
thanks,
drink?
man. Yes, man. Respect, man. Respect the ox, man. Yeah, man. I'm a well seasoned up, you know?
Then no more.
Yes, man. What a gungo come on?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. More gungo. One of them done already?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Wow. So the one I gonna leave?
Yeah, man.
Right. Yes, man. Right, Joe. When come down nice, doing a brand all of them high stay, you know?
Yeah. Looking inside the bag like that. I come and go receive man.
Alright.
I go receive man.
Yeah. Another dose of seasoning.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Pick up free fish.
Is that VP?
Yeah.
Right.
Now I salt him a little, make him.
Yeah.
Fire, man.
Make it next spot. Yo. Make it next spot.
Rice and beans coming
Ain't no sunshine. Silver Nissan 0057. Silver Nissan 0057.
This is the load. Yeah, load.
Oh. Yeah, man. Direct one, well load up with all of this pork.
So we like them golden fruit, yeah?
Chicken and golden for them.
Yeah, man.
Chicken and real good.
Yeah, man. Eh?
So the meat is too hard.
Yeah, my collection.
When see Irish and thing and come. Two bells for land and over there.
Yeah, man, in my land, man. See, man.
So wood fire taking down.
Yes, man. Just land from out of the pot. Yes, man, the vibes here. Right, in the kitchen. The kitchen a blaze from earlier this morning. And straight back in the evening. Right now, that's the 5 o'clock. And the vibes still are going. Guys, whole season down. Whole season down and it's small. Oh,
Well soaked, yeah.
well soaked. That's the vibe in the kitchen. Nah, cook Sunday. What a beef food there. Yeah, man.
Alright. Guys.
Jerk chicken. So we just try a piece of the fried chicken. We actually try some of the stew pork already. Wicked vibes here on the venue. Yes, man. Jerk chicken time. Ton load of stuff a come down and all the boat a land. Pork. Stew pork, jerk pork. Stew beef. Curry goat. Yeah, man. Boat a land. So I come down to the bar now. Yeah, the vibes in the kitchen. Now cook Sunday. I will live from the jerk chicken to the jerk pork. This is just strictly the beefy part. Call this the lean part. Boy, the kitchen is amazing. It was an amazing vibe, not telling us. Now cook Sunday. Alright now out on the front. Crazy vibes are going out there. I want to know the music and the copywriting. Crazy vibes. Nice piece of pork bone. It's an amazing vibe. The kitchen is festive same way, and around the front are going crazy. The music, pure good music and pure good vibes in the kitchen. This is the culture. This is the vibe. This is Nah Cook Sunday. Annual event. Nah Cook Sunday. But a pure food there. So you don't cook at your yard. You come here to come eat food and party and vibe and just listen to some good music. Right here at Amstable. Yeah man, Nah Cook Sunday.
Yeah, man, come on. Come on, now.
Yeah man.
That's some stew beef, you know?
Yes man.
Real stew beef, brother.
This no give brother in a chop. Go give brother in a chop.
Yes man, wonder what is.
I give me say I tail that.
That's it boy man.
I tail that.
Watch him man. The vibes. Crazy music and crazy food. So much to choose from. The amount of stuff for them on the menu, but it's the love and the vibe that is here. Yeah man. We're inside of the kitchen. Yeah man, the food, music, the vibes. Crazy vibes man. Yeah man, it's a piece of pigtail. We say everything was up on the menu, but it's just a crazy vibe. It's a day and night event. Go straight back till in the night. We're there from early in the morning in the kitchen. And the vibes never stop. Yeah man. This is the tail of the Trenton. Oh God, look at this. Kitchen never stop run.
Charlie, go on up on you. Cheer them. You know, please, my energy I want.
Yeah, it's good.
I hear day today, man.
Give thanks, man.
See me show you the fullness of what I go on today.
Real, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, them look like something from the Burger King. Very crispy and nice. What the color? Oh, the Popeyes. Yeah, I'm going to bung some fish tea, you know? Yeah. Some fish tea.
What in a crowd, you know?
In a crowd?
Yeah.
That's why we're touching that crowd, you know?
Right?
You say why we're touching that crowd?
Yeah. And people find out again, and then try to hide find something.
Yeah.
I'm going to say no, man, it's too early.
It's too early.
You can tell you that,
What a fish tea, your bud.
you know,